All right, hello there. My name is Nick, and I am on the Queen Elizabeth. It's a Cunard cruise ship. I've been on board for 5 nights so far. We started in Vancouver, and now we're gonna finish in Los Angeles. We had a stop in San Francisco. Well, my tour of the ship will be a little bit different than other people. You can probably tell that because I'm walking up the stairs. I made a rule to myself that as long as I can cruise, I'm gonna try not to take the elevator. That's probably a little silly, but I eat a lot of food here. So anyhow, on my cruise, on my tour, I'm gonna show you my room. I'm gonna show you the dancing area. I'm gonna show you the theater. I'm gonna show you behind the scenes. I'll show you a secret telescope. I might take you into the gym. I'll show you some other things. I'll show you my favorite spots on board. Stay tuned for more as we explore, I'm out of breath, the Queen Elizabeth. I hope my tour will be a different tour of this ship than some of the other ones. Let's go. Okay, is this filming? All right, I am hustling down the stairs to go meet my friend Tynan. Here he is. Okay, let's go. Check out that jacket. Wow. Okay, hello, and we are going into dinner on formal night here, and I'm gonna give you a little tour and I'll show you where our table is too.
Are we in your vlog?
You guys are back, yeah.
We just couldn't leave without you.
Yes. Wow. Yeah. Okay, ready? All right, hello and welcome to dinner on the Queen Elizabeth. So we're at the Britannia restaurant, and I love to order a lot of things on the restaurant, and I just want to give you a little cruise hack that you don't only have to get one appetizer. You could have 2 or 3 or even 4.
You could have the whole plate.
You could have the whole plate over there as well. So anyhow, this is where we've eaten dinner every night, and it's great, and I really like it. The food is really, really good.
It's gonna be a big dinner day. Have you guys ordered already?
I'm sorry?
Have you ordered already?
Yes. Shortly before.
All right, well, I just finished dinner, and now I'm gonna go back to my room and I will explore the ship a little bit more. Hey, thanks for watching my video. If you like this so far, will you give me a like and a comment? I just make these videos for fun, for free. And if you like it, it really means a lot to me. So thanks for watching. Let's continue the tour though. I'll keep going now, and let's explore the ship. Okay. Hello, hello.
That's enough of your video.
Let's see what's happening here. Keep live streaming, everybody. All right, greetings. Well, I'm in my room now, and I'm here with my roommate, Tynan, who's changing. We did get a balcony room, but our room is pretty small. I'm out of breath from going up all those stairs. I will just tell you that I'm not a big fan of the shower. I'll show it to you. You can see it here behind me. I'll show you. The shower is so small. From Royal Caribbean, some other celebrity, I don't know. This shower is just super small. We have all our stuff. I'll tell you one thing though about this ship. There are enormous closets. There's so much space in the closet. You could fit a small family inside these closets between this one and these. And supposedly, where's our refrigerator? Supposedly, we have a bottle of champagne that might be in our refrigerator. So I'm gonna check that out. Apparently all the guests are given one. Yes, look at that. We haven't drank it yet. Hey, if you would like this champagne, please give me a like and leave me a comment, and then we'll figure that out. All right, so that's the champagne that all the guests get. Don't forget about that. I will show you the balcony here. As we look out, here's our balcony. Pretty straightforward. I don't have to tell you guys. It's a beautiful view, though. All right, going back. Sorry that our room's a little messy. Well, we are walking on an adventure now through the halls, and we're gonna find the secret level 11 nightclub. We heard about it at dinner today. It's our last night on the ship, and we've got to find this. So we're walking all the way down midship. Our room was room 8136. We had a balcony room, and I'm still self-conscious that our room was a little bit messy, so I apologize for that. I'm excited that you guys are watching my video. We're touring the Queen Elizabeth ship. Stay tuned as we try to find room 11 or floor 11 for the secret nightclub. Wait, I do want to look at this. This is one of my favorite paintings on the ship. I really, really like this. I actually love this so much. There's a lot of different paintings on the ship. I'd be remiss. Let me just see who it's by. By this guy here. I really like this. Okay, let's continue. Wow, I bet that's the same artist. Oh, that's the kids zone, by the way. There's the teen zone, there's the kids zone. And then what floor are we? This is 10? Oh, I guess that's how to get up to where we're going. And then here's the play zone. I assume that's another children's thing. Let's just do a little check-in. We are right here. Where we want to go to is, I guess, Grill's Lounge. So that's our goal, is to get there. Over this way, let's go. Hello. Wow, I like these. So I'm gonna challenge you to make this a scavenger hunt during your visit to this ship. See if you can find these two paintings. This area is reserved for Queen's Grill and Princess Grill guests only. I guess that's not us. And so I'm probably not supposed to go up there. But there's nobody here, so I'm gonna just go up. This is the Princess Grill inside there. And this is the Queen's Grill. Okay. I'm gonna keep going. Let's see where this goes. Well, we appear to be up top of the ship area. I am not exactly sure what's up here. This is my first time in this area. I will take a peek off the front, but then my fellow visitors, this might be an end to my tour soon. Oh, I heard about these sports areas over here. Yes, right up there. You should check those out on your visit. The lights are dimming. It is evening time. Like any cruise, I waited until the very last night to film this video. This ship was interesting. I've been on many cruises before. This was my first time on Cunard. I found the food to be absolutely incredible. Look, you're watching this video, you probably don't want my opinion and my thoughts on the cruise, but I'm gonna tell them to you. My name is Nick, by the way. I'm 40 years old. I live in Austin, Texas. I love cruising. I go on it with my friends. My friend Tynan, he taught me all about cruises. He runs a website, a cruise search engine called cruisesheet.com that shows you how to get suites for the price of a regular room. Well, we didn't get that obviously because we didn't have a suite on this one. But it did help us get a balcony room for the price of an inside room. So you gotta check it out, cruisesheet, SHEET.com. But anyhow, I loved this cruise. I did like it. The food was fantastic. I loved the length. It was 5 nights. I loved the route, Vancouver to Los Angeles with a stopover in San Francisco. The food, like I said, was plated very well. Oh, I probably didn't take enough video of the food. Very nicely plated. However, it didn't have as many activities as I wanted. I'm a younger guy and I love going on those water slides. I love doing fun stuff like that. This ship doesn't have those things, but it had an amazing library. I love the library on the ship, as you know. And it was very refined and it was nice. And we met some really nice people. Service right now is tough. That's a whole nother story. But anyhow, my Cunard experience, I would do it again for 5 days. I would do it again for 5 days. Thank you for watching my video. I'm gonna wrap it up soon. Let's just keep touring. I'll show you some more things that I'm looking at here as we look around. Wow, what is this area? Has any other tour video shown you this front area of the ship with the secret viewpoint thing? And if they haven't, please give my video a like. Please give my video a like. It would really mean a lot to me. Dang, can I look through this? I'm gonna see. It's unclear if this thing is, oh my God, this is, you guys, this is a free magnifying glass thing that is, oh my gosh, I can see all the way out there. That's California. Hold on. I'm gonna stop the video. Anyhow, I found that, which was shocking. Really cool to look through and see. We saw many whales today. That is, oh wow, this is just a beautiful, look at this. We're at the very top. When is your cruise, by the way? Are you going on a Cunard cruise? Are you going on the Queen Elizabeth? Let me know in the comments. I read every single comment. I'll continue walking around. I'll show you some more spots on the cruise. Stay tuned for more. All right, I'm gonna take you guys into the Lido Restaurant area. Lido is the buffet thing. Hello. And I'm just gonna walk through here. Pardon me, sorry. I'm just gonna walk through the Lido area. I believe the buffet is still going. Let me grab my mask, hold on. All right. At all of the areas, they have this coffee beverage thing. I will show you a little bit about how these are set up. Coffee station here, pretty self-explanatory. Here's the teas that they have, in case you're wondering. Sorry about that, go ahead. Okay. All right, we're walking through in the Lido. Oh, sorry. I'm just gonna show you this Lido pizza area. This is the Lido Pizzeria to create your own pizza. Wow. That one was chocolate mousse. This is carrot cake, cinnamon rice pudding, banana delice, marble cake, chia seed. Oh my God, actually the chia seed pudding is so good. Oh God, I'm gonna have to get that. Okay, hold on, I need to take a break so I can get that. Wow, that's actually really good. Oh, okay, good. All right, so this is the chia seed pudding, like I mentioned, and it is absolutely delicious. I'm gonna have a bite. Wow, this is my favorite of the desserts. It's really good. Okay, so that was the chia seed pudding. I'm gonna show you a little bit of the dinner and what the dinner's set up for here now. All right, this concludes our tour of the Lido breakfast, lunch, and dinner area. So that is the Lido Lounge, but nearby is the Garden Lounge and the gym. I'm gonna show you that just right over this way. Sorry, that's Los Angeles. This is the Garden Lounge, and they do trivia here, which was very neat. I also enjoyed sitting over here with my friend, Tynan. Very pretty garden lounge area, as you can see. And I'm gonna walk out. Over that way is to the gym, so we'll go check that out. Here's the garden lounge for now. I'll just let you soak this up. Very pretty art up there. Again, trivia is usually up here in the mornings around 10 o'clock. Let's head out this way. We are on deck 8, by the way. Let me zoom this around so you can see me. This video, as I give you the tour, I forgot to film the gym and some other stuff, so I'm gonna take you over there now. So it won't I'll be wearing this and then my suit tie. I'll show you some of the hot tubs. So here are 2 of the hot tubs. I'll walk up here real quick. They are smaller hot tubs. There are lesser hot tubs on here, but I'm just gonna show you real quick. I don't wanna disturb the other people. Here, this hot tub, and here's this one. They're so small. Okay, now I'm also gonna show you, I mentioned that there are shuffleboard, there is golf, here is the ping pong that you can check out. There's another ping pong table right over here, and you should go to that one. But I'm gonna go peek back into the gym as we go through here to show you something special, which is the sauna. And oh, dang it. We're in port today, so the view won't be as good, but oh my Lord, the sauna is so nice. Hopefully there's nobody inside there, because then I'll get like some naked person. I'm gonna get in trouble. You guys are gonna get me arrested. But let me just show you here. All right, so this is the gym. I'll just peek into the gym right now real quick. So, many machines. I think really what you want to see though is this equipment. Oh, there's also, oh, sorry to spin it around too much. There's this equipment. There's also, for those of you that are looking for free weights, there's some over here, but I'm gonna show you where the other weights are. There's me, by the way. The weights are over here. All right, so let's go back out to the gym, and I'm gonna try to show you into the locker to show you. All right, let's see if anybody's in here. Okay, so I'm gonna try to show you the sauna. We're in port now, so this isn't as beautiful. I'm just making sure nobody's in here so that they have privacy. So, here's the deal. This is the sauna. Can you imagine being at sea, ignore Long Beach Terminal, but you're at sea and you come into this incredible, oh my gosh, it's so hot in here right now and it feels so great. But this sauna, looking out onto, again, just imagine the beautiful ocean here. It's so nice. And they've got the rocks over here, and you fill it up with the water down there. And then when you're done, you can come out and take a shower from any of these showers. This is actually a much nicer shower over here. That is the sauna. It is really nice. And I showed you the gym as well. The spa is nearby. You can also buy one of those spa packages to do things like that. There's this funny room that's right over here where they do classes. Okay, this is the treatment rooms that are down there for if you get your spa treatments. That's the ladies' changing room, which also has a sauna. Free sauna, by the way. You don't have to pay for these. And then this is this weird, like, sort of informational room session. I thought that was interesting. The Aqua Therapy Center. So that concludes. I'll show you on the map where that is. We are right here. Spa and Fitness is at the front. Well, we're in the theater right now. There's no show tonight, but you can see that it does feel very nice. And I like these side rooms, by the way. I like these side rooms right over here. They're very nice and very comfortable. I'll show you how to get to those side rooms right now by walking in as I did on the 3rd floor and taking, it says it's closed right here, but I'm just gonna show you down this way. You can take this stairway or that one to get into these side rooms. For example, here is one. Let's look at some others. This is another one. And here it is. Kind of nice. Pretty cool, right? This would be your simulated view. Pretty cool, right? So you should definitely check these out. This is the theater. Tonight is the last night. This cruise is going all the way to Barcelona. Some people will be on board for 39 days. As we're gonna walk back, I will show you back out this way and we'll continue. Hey guys. Let's go out. All right. See you in a minute. I'll follow you in a second. Okay, cool. So anyhow, that's the tour. What else? This is the theater area. So you can see it on the ship thing. I'm gonna go keep walking. I'll keep the tour going. Do you want to know what the bathroom looks like? Let me see if nobody's in here and I'll show you. This is what one of the bathrooms looks like. I don't know, maybe you were curious, you know? There's a lot of tours that are out there on this ship and I hope I'm gonna be a unique one. These are the bathrooms. Do you want to see the urinals? I'll just show, because sometimes you don't know. And so that's the urinals. Please don't leave a negative comment if you don't like the bathrooms. I'm trying to show you the authentic, what this ship is really like. If you're spending a month, maybe more on here, you need to know that stuff. And so I'm trying to help you out. Here's a look down. Wow, beautiful view here. Down into the casino. One thing, I'm ruining their photo. Oh gosh. One thing that I really like about this ship is it's not very loud. And we've been commenting on that. Compared to a Royal Caribbean cruise, which is so loud, so much music and the slot machines, and it's so annoying. This is very chill, and I like that. Hello.
Yeah, you can.
Well, I'm gonna finish my tour right here in one of the rooms. Thank you so much for watching. If you are planning to go on Cunard, let me know in the comments. I'd appreciate it. Will you give me a like on this video? It means a lot to me. Thank you for watching my tour of the Queen Elizabeth cruise ship. It is July, the end of July 2022. This is the latest and greatest. Bye-bye.